Yes. Oh my goodness, I was not. Hey. So today's review is going to be on Ishow hair. So here's a picture. So I got a 24-inch wig. It's a lace front human hair wig and it's straight. Yeah. So yeah, this is what we're looking at with the wig. Very luxurious, soft, you know what I'm saying? Not too soft. It's like a natural. It's like a natural soft. I like it, you know what I'm saying? A little coarse, but not coarse. This is the construction of the wig. We're looking at the standard 4 clips and also the bra straps in the back. So let me just slap this on before I do what I got to do. Don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint me. I knew you was about to be I knew you was the one. I already know I'm about to be looking like a meal in this B. In this B. You already know what I'm saying. You already know what it is. Oh, I knew Ishow was not going to let me down. Oh, did you come with lashes? My bad, they did come with lashes as well. Oh, wait till I do this up. Oh, it's a big bet. Oh, this is about to be fire. There's no doubt about it that this wig is about to be fire. So as far as where it's hitting me, booty is here, you know what I'm saying? And hair is like here. So it's about, dang, what is that, mid-spine or something like that? The density is cool. So yeah, let me go do what I got to do with this wig and then we're gonna come back. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna come back, all right? Boom. So I have bleached the knots. I kind of got it up here a little bit. I don't know how that happened. That stay happening to me. Just brushing through the hair. I don't even know if I'm gonna straighten this. I don't want it to be bone straight, but I need it's easier, so easy, yeah. Love, long as we got love. Don't want these bitches, I'm done with these bitches. So I have some janky ass flat irons. I got them from Amazon because I normally don't straighten my hair. You already know how I feel about putting heat on my hair. So I'm gonna try to get it as straight as I can. However, I'm sure if you have a higher quality flat iron, you'll be able to do a lot better than me. So we're just gonna put this hair to the test and see what happens, okay? You know we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, I thought you took it well. You told me you wouldn't cry over spilled milk. You did. Give me another towel, I'ma turn up the volume. We just need an hour or two, so we can do what we do, baby. So we can do what we do. So we can do what we do. You know I'm yours, I know you're mine. So we can do what we do. So we can do what we do. You know what? I'ma make. What's up, everybody? So I am back. Yes. So this is the finished look, and bro, what I say? I told y'all this was gonna be a banger. I knew when I opened this hair up that it was gonna be a banger. First and foremost, the hair is so soft. Y'all already know what I'm gonna say. You could see the softness. Like, you can see the softness. You can literally see it. Like, the hair is gorgeous. It's so flowy that I keep having to like put it back because it keep wanting to come back in my face. Like, ooh, girl. I didn't experience any type of shedding, no type of tangling while I was working with the hair. Y'all, right now, initially, what I am giving the wig is a 10 out of 10, and let me tell you why. I didn't have to do nothing to this hair. Like, yes, I did bleach the frontal, but I did not pluck it. I did not have to pluck anything. I barely had to like finesse with the gel and do like a little, you know, all I did was slap this wig on, cut a little bit of the baby hairs, move them to the side, and that's it. Like, period. Like, period, boy. I know I love wigs where it's like I barely have to do anything. Like, that is what I look for in a wig. Even though I had a janky straightener, we do see and can see that it did a pretty good job. Like, you know what I'm saying? It did a pretty good job. Wait till I show y'all the length on this though. It's pretty long. So it's gonna be a yes from me, dog. Like, you already know. So Y'all, I'm gonna leave all the specs down in the description box below if I haven't stated it already.
Bro, anytime the wig is good, you gotta give a thank you, you feel me?
Thank you so much for asking me to review this hair. The quality, for it to have been as easy as it was to like manipulate and just put on, like the quality, I thought the quality was gonna be a little draggy, but it wasn't. Like the quality is like A1. I'm telling y'all right now, it's worth it. I don't know what to say, like bro, like it's everything. Literally, like you can even see it. It's not even like I just had to say it and like bullshit. Like you can see the everythingness. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the specs about the hair are gonna be in the description box. Like I said, if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video.